welcome back to my channel. Let us solve few questions based on Indian judiciary asked in UPSC Prelims. These were also asked in CDS and NDA. So if you are appearing for CDS or CAPF, you should solve the previous year questions of UPSC Civil Services exams. Which of the following statements regarding judiciary in India are correct? Supreme Court of India is free from the control and influence of legislature and executive. Subordinate courts are at the head of the judicial hierarchy of the state. The Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed by the Governor in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. A High Court can withdraw a case from a subordinate court and can deal with the case itself if it is satisfied that the case involves a substantial point of constitutional law. Choose the correct answer from the quotes given below. First statement is correct because the independence of judiciary is the basis of federalism, free and independent judiciary, basic feature of our constitution. In the state, High Court is at the head of the judicial hierarchy. The Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed by the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. This is wrong. A High Court can withdraw a case from a subordinate court if there is a substantial question of constitutional law. So the answer will be 1 and 4. Next, a retired judge of High Court cannot practice in the Supreme Court, practice in any of the High Court of India, practice in the High Court from where he has retired, practice in any court of India. Now this is a very simple question, but when you are in the examination hall, what you do is mark these type of questions very quickly. But read the question again. The High Court cannot. So a retired judge of High Court can practice in the Supreme Court. So this is not correct. Cannot practice in any of the High Court of India. This is also not correct because a retired judge of High Court can practice in any other High Court. Cannot practice in the High Court from where he has retired. This is correct. Practice in any court of India. No. He cannot practice in lower courts. So the answer will be C. So there is no such thing as easy question in the exam. You must read the question twice before marking the answer. Next, the appointment of the judges of Supreme Court is done by the Prime Minister on the advice of the Union Cabinet, the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India, the Prime Minister in consultation with the Chief Justice, the President in consultation with the Law Commission of India. Now we have an independent judiciary and Prime Minister is part of the executive. So Prime Minister is not involved in the appointment of judges of Supreme Court. The President appoints in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Next, which of the following statements regarding the advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court are correct? It is binding on the Supreme Court to give its opinion on any matter referred to it by the President. This is correct. The full bench of the Supreme Court hears any reference made to it under its power of advisory jurisdiction. This is not correct. Not necessary that a full bench is to be present. The opinion given by the Supreme Court on a reference under advisory jurisdiction is not binding on the government. This is correct. Not more than one reference at a time can be made to the Supreme Court under its power of advisory jurisdiction. This is also not correct. More than one reference can be given. So the answer will be 1 and 3. Next, consider the following statements. Now this question was very confusing and I would like you to post your answer in the comment as well as explanation. The Advocate General of a state in India is appointed by the President of India upon the recommendation of the Governor of the concerned state. As provided in Civil Procedure Code, High Courts have original, appellate and advisory jurisdiction at the state level. Which of the statements given above are correct? Now the Advocate General of a state is appointed by the Governor. So this is not correct. Now in the second statement, High Courts do have original and appellate jurisdiction, and I read it that they have advisory jurisdiction also in the state whenever the governor seeks any advice. But the answer to this question was mentioned as D, neither 1 nor 2. It says that High Courts do not have advisory jurisdiction. And those who study law, I request them to answer this question whether High Courts have advisory jurisdiction or not. Post your answer in the comment section and I will address this question in the next video. We will discuss it further and solve few more questions on Indian judiciary. Till then, take care, work hard and enjoy your day. Thanks for watching and do subscribe please if you are new here. Thanks.